see?
What is it?
Whoa.
A bench with Go Dog Go.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Meg, what is it?
Look on the sides. Look on the sides.
Meg.
Here, over here. What's this? What about this? Oh, we can't go under dump cars.
Meg, what do you do with that? What's on top? Is that a dog party? Meg, do you know Dad made that for you? Meg, Dad made that
Okay,
for
let's go see if
you.
can wash your hands with it. Come in the bathroom. Come here. Come here, Meg.
Paul,
Come here.
let Meg try it out.
Okay, I'm gonna try it out.
Come here, Meg. Let's go see. Let's go see.
It's a little wobbly. It needs to be sanded.
Here,
All right, Meg, stand
the,
up here.
Babe, turn the light on.
Turn that light on. Stand up here. Now, you can wash your hands. Put your hands in. Nope. Not tall enough. Pretty close, though.
What do you have?
Put some soap on.
Pretty sweet, babe.
Oh, yeah, it is hot.
Haven't looked at it yet.
Okay, well, rinse the other hand off.
What do we say when we wash our hands?
Put the other hand in the water.
A, B, C, D,
Put this hand in.
E,
Is
F,
there icing?
G, H,
Touch your
I,
hand? No.
J, K,
Okay, dry them off.
L, M, N, O, P. Meg, can you tell Dad thank you?
It's kind of wobbly, huh? We'll need to sand that down.
Meg, can you tell Dad thank you?
Okay.
Can you give him a big kiss?
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Say love you, Dad.